all on tech special information. In the today's video I am going to give you a important job update. It is regarding our VLSI job. The company name is Soctronics Technologies Private Limited. So this company is going to recruit engineer trainee, and this recruitment procedure will be handled via VLSI Training Institute named FEDA IIT. Okay, so this VLSI Training Institute, FEDA IIT, they will conduct the exam, and exam will contain 3 steps: preliminary test, mains test, and finally interview. Okay, so this training institute FEDA IIT will provide you a 6-month training. Okay, if you successfully clear all 3 rounds, prelims, mains and interview, then this training institute FEDA IIT will provide you a 6-month training that is going to be a PG diploma course on VLSI. After that you will be in Soctronics. Okay, you will become the engineer trainee in Soctronics after successful completion of this training. So what are the different domains here? 3 different domains are here: VLSI digital engineering, VLSI analog engineering, and embedded system design. Okay, so when you are going to apply from this FEDA IIT site, I will show you the application procedure, how you have to apply. I will show you. So when you are going to apply, you can choose your domain. Okay, you can choose either digital engineering or analog or embedded based on your choice. Okay, so digital means in the examination you have to prepare for digital electronics, C programming and aptitude. Okay, and in analog engineering you have to prepare for analog electronics, network theorems and aptitude. And embedded system, you require concept of digital electronics, microprocessor, basically 8086 microprocessor, and C programming and aptitude. Okay, and the prelims test, syllabus of prelim test will be same for all 3 domains, and that syllabus is basic electronics and basics of 8086 microprocessor, and the aptitude will be there. In prelims, no programming questions, that means C questions will not be there in prelims examination. Okay, date is also given here. Okay, you can see that examination date, application last date is 2nd July. I think I will show you that things. Okay, and let's see the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is BTech, MSc in electronics, and BTech should be in electronics related branches. So if you want to appear in the exam for digital or in analog domain, so your BTech should be in electrical or electronics related branches like electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation. And if you have completed your MSc in electronics, then also you are eligible for digital and analog engineering. Okay, and if you want to appear in the exam of embedded system domain, then you should have BTech in electrical or electronics related branches, or computer science, information technology and instrumentation also eligible. Okay, and final year students are also eligible here. And last date of application, as you can see, that is 3rd July. And if you are a campus student, that means if you are a final year student, so you no need to pay any application fees. Application fees is 500 for all candidates. But if you are a campus students, you have to contact with your college training and placement department. If your college training and placement cell asks FEDA IIT for coupon code, then FEDA IIT will provide coupon code to colleges, and if you apply through that coupon code, you no need to pay this 500 registration fee. Okay, so now let's see how to apply. From Google, just search FEDA IIT, then go to this site fedaiit.org. Okay, open this site. So as you can see, two courses are here. One is Soctronics Engineer Training, about which I have already told you. Another one is Industry Ready Diploma Program. This is a paid course. If you apply for this course, that means after successfully clear the examination and interview, you have to pay course fee, and the course fee will be for digital. There is logic design course. For logic design course, and you have to pay 1.5 lakhs. That will be the course fee for 6-month training course. And for analog design and custom layout design, also 1.5 lakh is the course fee. And for physical design, which is under digital, in that case the course fee will be 2 lakhs. Okay, so you can download poster if you are interested about the industry ready course. In the difference, basic difference is that industry ready course, uh, 6 month training, that is a diploma course, will be provided to you. After that you can apply in any companies for job. And in Soctronics Engineer Training, if you clear the exam and interview, then 6 month training will be provided, and after that you are getting a job. That means you will be in Soctronics as engineer trainee after the successful completion of the course. Now you have to click here, apply now. This is opened. As you can see, the test date 10th July. You have to pay 500 fees, and if you are campus students and if you are applying through coupon code, you no need to pay this 500 fees. Now from here you can choose. Here you can choose your domain: analog engineering, digital, or embedded. You can choose from here. Okay, and prelims test will be online from your home. You have to fill your name, surname, date of birth, guardian's name. You have to upload your photo here. Okay, you have to write your email address, mobile number, Aadhaar card number, your city, state, pin code, and you have to choose your educational qualification. You have to choose your college, university. From here your qualification, specialization, college address, everything you have to choose. After that you have to click on I accept, then submit. Okay, so this was the job update regarding Soctronics Engineer Training, which is a VLSI related company. So if you want to know how to study, okay, if you are interested about it, if you want to know how to study, how to prepare for this exam, please comment me in the comment box section. I will make a separate video regarding the preparation for FEDA IIT exam. And if you also want to know about the company, some more informations, and about the joining procedures, how is the future opportunity, I will provide you a separate video regarding that. Okay, thanks for watching.